paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a space drawing today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require our crayons, paper and pencil. Let's start by making a rocket. Are you drawing it with me? If you make a mistake, you can erase it and redraw it. Let's make the wings now. After that, let's start by making planets. We are going to start by making a planet which is called Saturn. And then, why don't we make another planet? Great! You can also start making a moon. And then, maybe a space rocket. Well, you can make your very own alien. Let's make it spaceship now. We will make sure that we complete the entire drawing with our pencil. You can also draw a space shuttle. This is so much fun, isn't it? Well, you can place it wherever you want and after that, start sketching it. You can take your black sketch pen and start sketching this. After that, you can also add on a few more things from your side. Just for example, the dots inside a planet. Now, let's start tracing the Saturn. Let's complete tracing the entire drawing in a similar way. You can also make a few designs on the moon. This looks great. Now, you can start erasing all the pencil marks. Once we are done erasing them, we can also make shooting stars. For that, we will make a circle and fire around it. Now it's time for us to color this. Let's use bright colors and start coloring the entire thing. Remember, when you're shading, use a dark color first and then a light color. To give it a better shade, you can also use the dark color on top of the light color. And well, you can smudge it after this. Once we are done with this, let's start with the space rocket of the alien. Well, you can keep a tissue paper below your hand so that the other colors don't smudge. Use a dark color first and then a light color. Let's complete coloring the entire picture in a similar way. We will use attractive colors to fill in the rocket, spaceship, planets and other things in space. Let's use a combination of warm and cool colors. Let's make sure that we do not go outside the line. Fill in all the white spaces. Let's do the shooting star as well. You need to take your scissor and start cutting this. Now it's time for us to take a dark blue sheet and start sticking our cutouts. For this, we will take a double tape. Well, a double tape is going to make it look 3D. Do not use glue for this. Doesn't this look 3D? Great! We are done with our 3D space drawing. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.